Nothing burns fat like HIIT workouts. That is HIIT, high intensity interval training. You need this in your life, especially now in quarantine mode where we're basically taking vacations to send refrigerator island and stuffing our faces like nobody's business. Yeah, so if you want to know how to turn your body into a fat burning machine while in quarantine, no gym, no equipment required, keep watching this video. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. So today I will be showing you the top 10 best HIIT exercises to do at home for maximum fat and weight loss. For those of you who didn't know, HIIT is a form of cardio performed at high intensity for a short duration of time with less recovery periods. It is an excellent way to burn maximum amount of fat within a short period of time and keep burning fat even 24 to 48 hours after you're done working out. Even more fantastic is that you can do this anytime, anywhere, any day. Before we dive in, I'd like to take a moment. Here we go again. Didn't we agree we were going to keep the intro short? You talk too much. Yeah, we did, but don't we have to at least show some appreciation to our viewers after what happened last week with our first video? Oh, yeah, you're right. You see? That's why you're the logical one. Anyway, I just want to say a big thank you, danke, merci, nda, very well, nasomi, gobino, for the outpour of love and support you all showed me last week. I appreciate you all. Wow. You were turned up and turned out. For that, I am so grateful to you all. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. If you're new to my channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. If you're looking for workouts that will help you lose the flap, drop some pounds, and tone up, you're in the right place. Let's hit it. Keep watching. Be sure to include a warm-up before every workout to avoid injuries and to slowly get your heart rate up. This is a rough footage of what my right brain thinks this should look like. Okay guys, do not do this. Now that you've relaxed your muscles, let's begin. Jump squats increase your explosive power, improves upper and lower body strength, and burns calories faster than regular squats. This spikes your heart rate as much as sprinting for a bus does. To do this, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start by doing a regular squat, engage your core and jump explosively. When you land, lower your body back into squat position to complete one rep. Make sure to land with your entire foot on the ground and as quietly as possible, which requires control. For modified versions, do regular squats without jumping. Do this for 45 seconds and rest for 20 seconds. Lunge jump is a variation of lunges I find very effective as they burn a tremendous amount of calories. It helps develop lower body strength and power. This works your calves, quads, hamstrings, hip flexors, glutes, and core. To do this, jump your left leg forward and your right leg back into a lunge with both knees at 90 degrees. That is your starting position. Then jump up and switch your legs in mid-air so that you land in a lunge with your right leg in front, and continue jumping back and forth with very little pauses in between. Again, refer to this for modified versions, regular lunges with no jumps. Do this for 60 seconds and rest for 30 seconds. Burpees are a classic, and I have a love-hate relationship with it for good reason, because it is one of the most effective and challenging bodyweight exercises out there. Burpees help to build muscle, burn fat, improve cardiovascular endurance, and in short, it is the ultimate all-rounder. It engages all the muscle in your body. For modified versions, do not do the jump when you come back up. It is just as effective. Do this for 45 seconds and rest for 20 seconds or more if you need to, for a set of 3. engages your core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, gets your heart rate up, and improves momentum, coordination, and flexibility. To do this, stand straight, keep legs shoulder width apart, and look straight ahead. Jump and bring your right knee to your chest, switch to lift your left knee to your chest, and continue the movement alternating legs and moving at a sprinting or running pace. For modified versions, just move your knee to your palm as shown and do this for 45 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, 3 sets of this. Star jumps will get your heart racing and your blood pumping. These are just as explosive as jump squats. They work your quads, hamstring, core, arms, glutes, and back. To do this, start in a squat position with your back flat, feet together and elbows touching the sides of your lower legs. Jump up, raising your arms and legs out to your sides, forming an X in the air. Land softly with feet together and immediately lower yourself to starting position. You can modify by eliminating the jump, as shown. Keep one foot on the ground and raise the other one out on your side as you swing your arms above your head and alternate legs with each rep. Do this for 60 seconds and rest for 30 for a set of 3. Lateral jumps increases the coordination between the torso and the legs, and it helps in stabilizing the hip, knees, and feet joints. This exercise also promotes agility and weight transfer while we alternate from one foot to the other. It targets the muscles you work during a squat, which is your quads, core, hamstrings, calf muscles, and glutes. To make this harder, you just have to jump wider. For modified versions, do not jump. Just move from side to side as shown in the video. Do this for 60 seconds and rest for 30 seconds or more if you feel the need to. High knee jumps are explosive. This always gets my heart racing like Formula One and burns a tremendous amount of calories. To do this, dip down into a squatter position and immediately explode upward. Drive the knees towards your chest, attempting to touch them with your knees. Jump as high as you can, raising your knees up, and then ensure a good land by re-extending your legs and absorbing the impact. For modified versions, will not drive your knee towards your chest. Jump upright, straight up, and this is just as effective. Do this for 60 seconds and rest for 30 or more if you need to, for a set of 3. Push-ups are a challenging plyometric exercise that will help you gain upper body strength. I never could do a single push-up until 2013. So if I can do this, then you can too. There are several variations to push-ups, and what I am doing right now are wide push-ups. To safely do a push-up, make sure hips are kept at the same level throughout the movement. Upper thighs are kept in line with your torso. Core is engaged throughout the movement to help protect your back. For modified versions, do knee push-ups, and these are also just as effective as a full push-up, especially for a beginner. Do as many as possible within 60 seconds and rest for 30. The up and down plank strengthens and tones your core. glutes, arms, wrists, and shoulders. This exercise helps to improve your posture, tightens the midsection, and boosts weight loss as well as fat loss. Be sure to maintain proper form and breathing pattern. Engage your glutes, tighten your core, and keep your head, neck, and spine aligned. Inhale as you bend your arms and place your elbows on the mat or ground, and breathe out as you straighten your arms and place your hands on the ground. Practice doing elbow planks first. If this is hard for you and once comfortable with the exercise, you can go ahead and do the up-down plank. Otherwise, do the modified version as shown in the video and do this on your knees or just be in plank position while on your knees. Lastly, mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. You work several different muscle groups with mountain climbers. To do this, get into a plank position and check your form. Your hands should be shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. Pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Keep your hips down, run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can, alternating inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. For modified version, you're practically doing the same thing but just at a very slow pace. Take your time and breathe and engage your core. Do this for 60 seconds and rest for 30 seconds for a set of 3. So that sums it up for the top 10 best exercises to do at home for maximum fat and weight loss. Do not forget to include a good cool down and stretch, guys, as that is very important. We do not want any injuries. HIIT will help you get fit faster like no other, so start today. If you can afford a trainer as a beginner, go for it. If you can't, no problem. Just make sure to maintain proper form. Even if it means you asking a friend to check your form while you're doing these exercises. Just don't compromise form. Do not sabotage your hard work in the kitchen. Anything to add, right brain? I guess that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, as well as smash the like button. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you.